Okay. So we are going to make this thermos today. So what do we see? If I draw a straight line at the center, what do I see? There are two straight lines beside this, both the sides, and smaller lines here, right? And then we need to join this as a curve and all this. It is simple. So let us draw this and then we will shade to make it 3D. So first we need to draw. Whenever we draw, which pencil do we use?
HB.
HB. Yes. So we are supposed.
This is HB.
Yes, every pencil that you use for writing, that is HB pencil only. Yeah, it's sometimes not written on the. So we will use our HB pencil to draw. So first we will draw a line at the center, and that would be from 0 till 16. This big 5. Okay, draw it till 15 then. If you have it till 15, then okay, draw it till 15. So this would be the length of my complete bottle. Then I am going to decide how big my bottle would be. So if I say my bottle is going to be 3 centimeters from both the sides. So I will draw a straight line 0 to 3 and then 3 to 6. You can decide how big your bottle would be. Is it visible? Should I make it darker? Okay. Now we want to create a straight line here and here. That's why we will, okay. I'm waiting, you do it. We will create a straight horizontal line somewhere in between also, so that our lines would go straight like this. Okay. So, Nara, draw it faster, beta.
Top we will also do it.
No, we are not just supposed to create a line, one standing line and then 6 centimeters slipping line, 3 centimeter each. Very good. So now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to divide this complete line into 3 parts. So it is 15, right? So we will divide it into 3, yes, 5, 5, 5. So it is my first 5, then second 5 and 5 3 the 15. So we have divided into 3 halves. So this 2 half, first and second, this would be my length of the bottle. And then we will start the curve to make the bottle.
First we will draw the 5, then we will...
No, we don't need to draw anything. We just need to mark 3 points.
Yeah, I have drawn it.
No, don't draw it. So this line in between, rather than creating here, we will create on the first dot that we have marked from the up. So it is my 6 centimeter. Yes, so on the first dot from the upper side, we will create a line of 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter this side, 3 centimeter this side. Draw a line. You come here and then you will see. So where is your dot? Well, where is your first dot?
Here.
On this line we need to draw.
There we should keep the dot.
So 5 centimeter from here. So this is my 5 centimeter. This is my 5 centimeter. This is my 5 centimeter.
Here we will draw this side.
So we need to take this big bottle, and this would be the length of, like, we will create smaller cap, and then this would be a curve of the bottle. So on this 5, you draw a line. Okay. Drawing till this point.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now we will join these two lines together and create a straight line here. So whenever we create any still life, what is a still life? It's like this bottle.
रेस्ट पे जाती है जैसे अभी
हाँ.
तो फिर वो रेस्ट पे जाती है उसको कहते हैं
Yes.
स्ट्रेट लाइन
Straight line में still life.
हाँ, still
Still life. Things that can be placed and they will stay like that. They are called as still life.
and it
So trees are still life? No, trees are moving with the air, right? So trees are not still life.
and their short form is called rest.
All right. Done till here? So what I was saying that every still life, whenever we draw anything, we can always draw in forms of our basic shapes. Circle, rectangle, square. So these shapes we can have first and then draw our things.
And I have done.
Very good. Ransha done? Nirvan done?
Not done, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, ma'am, I can't see the drawing.
Okay. I will turn on the light. Then you let me know if you see it.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am, but I didn't understand.
Okay. What are you not getting? You let me know.
Ma'am, the outer lines.
Okay. So see, first we have drawn this as 15 centimeter. This much is
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Then we have divided this into 3 halves. So one is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, right?
Yes. Yes.
So these two dots, we have drawn a line, a sleeping line, 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. So we can decide how big my bottle would be. That would be the line here. Understood? You don't need to write numbers. I am just writing it so that you know and do not make any mistake. Got it? Nirvan, done? Okay, very good. Now, you have drawn these lines also, outer lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now we are going to divide this 5 centimeter also into half, the upper 5 centimeter, and make it to 2 and 3. So make a dot of at 2. So this would be my cap and this would be the curve with which I am going to draw the cap. So this is 2 centimeter. Make a dot at 2 centimeter from the top. Yes, we need to make a small bottle only. Okay. So now what are we going to do? See, we have drawn 3 centimeters here, yes, right? So what is the half of 3 centimeter? 1.5. So we will create 1.5 centimeter here and 1.5 centimeter here.
I don't know.
So at this 2 centimeter point, we will draw 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter.
What is 1.5?
So when we reach 1, and there is also a 5 line here. So that will call
Small,
1,
very small.
yes, very small line. That is 1.5 centimeter. Do you have this slide? So it is 1 and there is a 5 centimeter. Yes.
Ma'am, it's little bit blur. Can you make it little bit brighter?
Okay, I'm using a HB pencil. I'll use 2B pencil then.
Focus with the camera so that it's
Oh, it is blur.
very light. to understand.
Very light. Okay, yeah, I will use a darker pencil.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. You guys no need to make it darker, right? You don't make it dark. Yes, you need to use HB pencil only. Don't make it darker. When we draw, we always draw it with the lightest pencil. And then we have 1.5 centimeters here for the cap. Got it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now we will start joining these lines together. Join it in the form of curve. This way. And this also join. And then make a cap. So we will draw straight lines here.
Like this.
1 second, Naira. Oh, this is not correct. Better now. So what are we supposed to do for the cap? So we'll draw one line.
One like this. One like this.
Very good. You have drawn it very small. It is 1.5 centimeter here. It is 1.5 centimeter here. Make the correct line. Okay, should we move forward?
No.
Okay, waiting for you to finish.
We draw.
So let's make it half, 1 centimeter.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Just draw one dot. And then.
Now I just correct the cap of this.
Yeah, you first correct this for the way I am doing. So this would be my bottle. And then one. Naira, you are not able to see it. So this is where your 2 centimeter, right? So make it half. Sorry, this is your 2 centimeter. Make it half.
And this one?
Yes, within this cap. Make it half.
Yes. I make this one.
Yes. And then draw these lines. Very good. And then draw this half.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Syansha. Nirvan, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the cap is 2.5 centimeter.
So this was 2 centimeter. At the center, I have drawn this line. Right, this was 2 centimeter.
Ma'am, I am a little bit curved.
Yes, it's okay. On top of this, this is actually my bottle now. Okay, this is my bottle. Now on top of it, I'm going to create a cap. So see how I'm doing it. So what is the proportions of the bottle? How big my bottle would be? I will divide into 3 parts, right? So 2 parts will be my length of the bottle. Then on the last half, I will start curving it and then create a cap. Always remember these ratios. And then your bottle
What
will
is
always be.
ratio?
Ratio means like how we are doing. If I am going to create, for example, 20 centimeter big bottle. So I will take 21 centimeter and then divide it into 7, 7, 7.
7 of
Like this. Yes.
7.
So you can always divide how big your bottle would be and then divide it into halves. Done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yes. Very good. So now we are going to curve this line. This line. We will create the bottom of the bottle by curving this line. Curve it. Extend these lines little bit and then make a, yes, free hand only, and make another curve. So that's how we have created the base of our bottle. Karo. Riyansha, once you are done, then show me. Okay, this is going a little bit here.
I'm done.
हाँ, स्लो क्रिएट करो, जल्दी नहीं है. Very good. Yes, very nice. Nirvan, you show me.
Can you please tell again how to make the curve?
Bottle दिखाओ नीचे bottom. Yes, very good. Correct this part. Your right side is not okay. Okay, दिखाओ नायरा. So we draw it little further and then make it. Okay. Make it little more curvy from this side. All right. So now, okay, I'm waiting. You do it. So now we can remove these guiding lines and then we will make where to give what shade.
And we will rub.
Yes, only the lines, the guiding lines that we have created, those lines we can rub. So now we are going to curve the bottom, and the bottom curve would be like this. See how I am doing it, and then you also do it. It is more like creating the hilly area like yesterday we did. So it is at the center, it is still flat. And then we need to create these two curves.
Only 2.
Yes, only 2. No, don't do many. So this was my center part. So I'll create one hill here and another hill here. That's it.
One hill here.
One hill, one this side, one hill this side. That's it.
And like this.
Okay, done. So remove all the guiding lines properly.
Now remove this.
So this is also a guiding line.
Which?
This neck of the bottle. Yes. This line also we need to remove. Okay, done?
Ma'am, please see that bottom here.
That is okay. All right. So now, before we start shading, we will create some lines where to shade what, so that it will become 3D. Okay. So first we will create a line.
Freehand.
Yes, freehand. As the curve of this bottle, we will create a line very close to the edge of my bottle. So let's do this. Very close to the edge of my bottle, I'll create a sharp line.
Like this.
Wait, Naira, wait. Very close to the bottle edge, I'm going to create a line. Okay, my bottle is falling this side little bit. Hannah? I need to fix this first. What happened? Something got wrong. 0 to 3, 0 to... that's where the wrong is. So I have drawn this line little bit bigger, and that's why my bottle is falling this side. So how can I fix this? No, I'm not going to rub hole. So I will fix it like this. So it will not look bad. So see, how I'm fixing my mistake. What I did, I have 3 centimeters here. And when I keep this line, this is more than 3. Oh, this is more than 3 centimeter, even 3.5. So I need to fix it properly. And I was wondering why my bottle is going in this direction. And now it will be okay. Mhm. Now it is good. Very good. So now I will do it again. One line very close to my... No, I have rubbed it na, so I need to do it again. Wait. Naru, wait, go slow. Let me finish it. Okay, very close to the edge of my line. Now I will go. See, this is the point where I need to shade, right? And then I will draw one line like this. So this is my first line at the center, and I'll draw this line here. How much big? Okay. So this would be, I think, 0.5 centimeter big. So it is 1 centimeter big. So make a line 1 centimeter big.
0 to 1.
0 to 1, yes. And this is the place we are going to shade. Now we are going to create a similar... Make a line at the center. Yes, center. First at the center. This big only. So we are not going to go up here. We will stay down to this line. Done? No, do it. Nirvan, done? No? Are you getting?
Please see.
So this is my first dot, and then I'm going to draw this line, which was on the guiding line, and then 1 centimeter big this line.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
please it.
Why we are creating these lines? Because this is the place where we need to shade darker. Very good, Naira, you have done it proper.
That you have done this with to this also.
And now, नहीं जितना मैं बता रही हूँ उतना करो पहले.
यहाँ पे like this. यहाँ पे 3D का
नहीं आप नहीं, जितना मैं बना रही हूँ उतना करो नायरा.
Ma'am, like this.
I cannot see it. Riyansha, bring your yes, this now I can see it. Very good. Yes, this way. Nirvan, you show me. Did you have it at the center? These two lines? No, not yet. Okay, do it and then show me. So now I'm going to draw one line just beside this edge. Draw, Naira. Just beside this edge. So I have drawn one line closer to this edge. I am going to draw one line closer to this edge.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nirvan.
ma'am, how many centimeters the center line is?
Center line is 1 centimeter. Okay. Draw, Naira.
ये कितना बड़ा
And
है?
it would go till the edge. Like this. This line also would go like this.
But the floor.
So I am waiting for you to finish. So I have drawn one at the edge, one at this edge, and one in the center. Tell me what happened.
मैम ये जो हमने सबसे पहले वाली लाइन ये तो करी थी
नीचे तक जाएगी. यस, वेरी गुड. और ये वाली लाइन जो है वो ऊपर तक जाएगी.
और मैम यहाँ से थोड़ी सी कम होंगी क्या नीचे से 1 सेंटीमीटर
नीचे से कोई कम नहीं होगी. हाँ, ये वाली कम होगी. Okay, so we have drawn 3 lines. One here, just beside this edge, right edge. One beside the left edge, and one at the center. So my left line is little bit up from the bottom, and right line is complete from the cap, from the neck of my bottle till the bottom of my bottle. Okay, very good. If you are done.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
So I have drawn 3 lines, Nirvan. 3 lines are there. One closer to this edge, right edge. One closer to the left edge, and one at the center. You have these 3 lines?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So my first line is complete from the neck till bottom. First line, check. My second line is little bit up from the bottom.
Yes,
And
sir.
the center line is here. So I will leave this space and then create this big line here at my bottle neck. Oh, sorry, bottle cap also. So I will leave this space and then create this. Make it freehand. Like this.
Like this.
Show me. Do you have one line created here? No? Yes, this line is okay. You are showing this line now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, this is okay. Now you draw our freehand lines here at the cap. So now we are going to do a curves here. little curve at the cap. You also do it along with me. So I am going to create 3-4 curves on the cap. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After leaving that space, I will create 2 curves here and you here. Okay, so now we are done. Rest part we will shade it first and then do it. So let's start shading. Once you are done, then only start. If you have any confusion, then first ask and then we'll do it. Let's take 2B pencil first.
I'm like this.
Show me. Right. These curves, no, they are like U. See, I have created a U shape curve. Visible? They are like U. Nirvan, create U shape curve. Done?
Where, ma'am?
On the cap.
Please tell me once more.
Yes, very good. Okay, I understand this is little difficult, but it is fine. Naira, you also do it, beta.
What do?
On the cap, there are little curves created. You do that curves. And you have also not drawn this line up. So make a center line up this. Okay, now let's take 2B and start shading.
Ma'am, please tell how to draw.
Okay, just you beta, you draw करना है खाली.
वो center line नहीं draw.
Center line draw कर लो ना. बस you draw कर लो.
Bottle.
Yes, on the full bottle, we will see how the shape of, this direction of the shading will matter here. So we will, till this point, we will do a straight sleeping line. No, sorry, standing line. So do it as I am doing.
Which pencil?
So we will try to save this edge. This edge, we will try to save it. And these edges also, we will not shade there. Naira, 2B. Use 2B pencil. Yes, you have 2B. Use your 2B pencil and start shading. Yes, with HB also you can do it. You had 2B, right?
No, I have
Okay.
HB 2, HB 2.
All right, do it then. Shade, shade, shade. Go slow. Hold your pencil from the back. No pressure needs to be applied. We are going to save these edges, and that's why we have drawn those lines. Center line we are not supposed to save. We can shade on top of it. Completely okay. शेड हाँ इस पे शेड कर सकते हैं. एजेस जो बनाई है उसको हमें सेव करना है, इसलिए हमने वो एजेस बनाई हैं. चलो, if you are done, then blend it. Blend it using earbud, cotton, tissue, any blender you can. Yes, stumps can also be used. You can use stump too. Brush, anything can be used for blending.
I will use brush.
Okay, you can use brush. So we will not cover complete bottle. We will cover first this half only. तो ऊपर वाला अभी नहीं करेंगे, ऊपर वाला बाद में करेंगे. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, अब कर दिया तो आप ब्लेंड नहीं. कर लो, ब्लेंड कर दो, हमें करना ही है, बट वी विल चेंज द डायरेक्शन लिटिल बिट, दैट्स इट. With the blender maybe you can go little up. Blend, 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 blend it properly. Blend, blend, blend.
हम रब कर दिया.
Okay. कर दे. So now let's take 4B. First blend it and then take 4B. करें 4B से? Done with the blending?
No.
Nirvan done. Okay, Shreyansha done. Nirvan done with the blending? No? Okay, do it. We will wait. नहीं, आप इतना करो पहले, बिकॉज यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन चेंज होगी ना, तो हम वी विल डू इट लेटर. फर्स्ट टू फिनिश दिस मच. उधर नहीं करो, इतना ही करो पहले. ओके, शुड वी गो मूव ऑन? 4B. चलो नायरा ब्लेंड करो जल्दी एंड 4B पे आओ. So we are supposed to leave this edges and start from here.
Which edges?
This edge. We will go dark to light. Remember, we learned dark to light. So we will first fill this dark.
Yes, ma'am, in glass balls.
Yes, in the glass balls, we have done this dark to light. We will practice the same. So first layer, maybe you can go up also, but not the second layer. Go dark, dark, dark. And then as you come this side, then start blending, start reducing the pressure and come little.
Which pencil we will
4B. So I'm using 4B here. Nara, you can use 4B.
Yes.
You can use this one.
Oh,
You have 4B?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how far we will go? Till this hill. So I have this hill here. So till this hill I am supposed to shade.
No, I have 3B.
Okay, then go. And we will go dark to light. Now I have started reducing the pressure. Reduce, reduce, reduce. Okay, so it is dark to light.
Pencil color and shading are same only, ma'am.
No, pencil colors are not same. Pencil color. We will use exactly same technique for pencil colors also. Dark to light and all this. But pencil colors may colors banana is little difficult.
Yes.
Like we should need to overload one over the other. And that means. Okay, now we will use 6B pencil and do the same on top of it. You can also blend it first and then go with 6B. कहाँ पे बेटा? नहीं, do go one by one. Do wherever I am doing. If we will do the shading, see, shading is the only thing which will make your things 3D, right? And when you are blending, you can go down also with the blender. Like not with the pencil, but only with the blender you can come down.
पेंसिल चला
पेंसिल नहीं चलानी है, 4B पेंसिल नीचे नहीं जाएगी. So with 4B, okay, अभी चला दी तो कोई बात नहीं, but without blend, only with the blender. नायरा आप बात ज्यादा कर रहे हो ना, ध्यान से सुन नहीं रहे हो मम्मा क्या बोल रही है. ध्यान से सुनो, फिर आप इधर उधर गड़बड़ कर देते हो. Now let us use 6B. Where are we going to use 6B? Only at the edge. We will darken only this part little more. Only the edge from where we started the shading. And we will do this only after blending. So blend first and then do it. First 4B and then blend it and then use 6B. हाँ, so once you are done till here, then I'll show you one more thing, important thing. So first do this much and then I'll show you.
I'm done.
Okay. Nara, you do it.
Or this both. I'm like this.
Wait. Yes, very good, Riansha. You can blend it at the bottom as well. You go till the bottom with the blender, not with the pencil, but only with the blender. Show me, Nirvan. Yes, very good. Nirvan, you also go with the blender at the bottom. So you cannot see it, isliye, yeah. So what I did, I went down with the blender. I have not used pencil here, just went down with the blender. Naira, you do it faster.
It is correct.
जब बोलती हूँ तो सुना करो. देखो एज छोड़नी है और यहाँ पे हमें 4B करना है.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes, Riyansha, it is correct. Yes, I have seen it. It is okay. All right. So now you are going to learn a little more new thing. So you see first how I am doing it and then you do it. Okay. And for that we will need a pencil eraser. And Riyansha, since you do not have it, so make sure your eraser is cut in the shape so that you can use it.
Ma'am, this is also.
You do first your blending. Naira, finish your blending first. मेरा वो दो मैंने 0 इरेजर दो मेरा.
कौन सा?
मोनो 0 जो आप दिखा रहे थे अभी. Okay. You see, everyone see here. Riyansha, look here. So you are not supposed to do it. Just see how I am doing it and then you do it. Okay. So I will keep my, this is only when we do still life, we will need all this sharp highlights. So how do we give sharp highlights? So we will place our scale like this and with the help of our eraser, this is my eraser, and I'm going to do and then I will curve this. You can do it with your pencil eraser. Riansha, when you do it, make sure your eraser is sharp enough to do this little line with the eraser. Otherwise, it will remove everything you have done. Now, Naira, you also do it.
Ma'am, I cutted my eraser.
You cut your eraser. Yes, that's the only possibility we can have that sharp edge. Yes. Now do it. So we need to have this sharp edge, and that will come with the eraser. Done? Yes,
Yes.
very good. Very good. Naira, wait. Riansha, show me. Yes, very good. Now, Naira, you show. हाँ, आपने डार्क नहीं किया, 4B यूज नहीं किया, 4B के बाद 6B करना है. डार्क हाँ कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन डार्क करो. डार्क टू लाइट आएगा तभी तो हम उसे रब कर पाएंगे. अगर वहां पे डार्क ही नहीं होगा तो रब ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. करो, फिर से करो. डार्क करो.
Nice.
चलो. Okay, now we are supposed to fill this center line. So we will do it with 4B and then 6B. नायरा, आप इससे करो पहले. इससे पहले फिर से करो. 4B से करो and then do it with 6B. So now I am using my 4B to fill this area. It is 4B. Okay. So use your 4B and then blend it. Naira, use 4B. 4B. Dark. हाँ 3B use करो, कोई बात नहीं है. But dark to light. So what is dark? This is dark. When we go light, this is light. Keep your paper like this. If you are not feeling comfortable, then do it. Naira करो. Dark to light करो. हाँ very good. Yes. Don't change the direction. Zigzag नहीं करना है. No one will do zigzag. Only sleeping line. Sorry, standing lines.
Right. Okay.
Now this center line will come little bit down at the bottom as well. Make it darker and then blend it and then use 6B on top of it. After 4B, blend it and then use 6B. दिखाओ नायरा. हाँ अभी देखो डार्क हुआ ना. वेरी गुड. अब डार्क टू लाइट करो. डार्क टू लाइट. Now I am using 6B to make it even more darker.
6 तो पेड़ भी और
डार्क टू लाइट कैसे करना है? ये हमारा डार्क है, राइट. ये हमारा डार्क है. हम डार्क टू लाइट जाएंगे तो कहाँ तक बोला था सेंटर पार्ट का?
वो सामने ये
यार लाइट कर, रिड्यूस करो, प्रेशर रिड्यूस करो तो हो जाएगा।
like this.
1 सेकेंड बेटा। हाँ यस, मेक इट मोर डार्कर विद 6B।
करेंगे
हाँ फिर ब्लेंड करेंगे, आफ्टर 4B यू ब्लेंड इट एंड देन यूज 6B एंड देन ब्लेंड इट। Okay, now it is very important when you blend it. See, I am blending it, and then with the blending, I will go this side as well. So I am not using any pencil here, but with the blend, after the blending, my blender got dirty, right? So that blender only I am going to use this side. And then I will create a sharp edge here as well. बोलो नायरा। मोनो जीरो नहीं चाहिए आपको? आप ये वाले इससे करो ना।
उससे नहीं
हुआ तो है। अच्छा चलो ठीक है। Blend only with the blender I am doing this. I will not use pencil here.
Ma'am, we can use cotton also.
Yes, you can use any blender, cotton, earbud, normal tissue paper, any blender can be used. Even makeup brushes can also be used as a blender. But go slow, don't rush. Learning is more important here. Even if we will not be able to finish it today, we will do it in the next session. But creating these sharp edges is very important.
This.
Yes, very good. And now we will create a similar edge here at the center. So we have this part, center of this part, just above this my curve, my hill area. This hill I created a small hill at the bottom. At here I will create a sharp edge again with the rubber. So I will place my scale here. And then create a sharp edge here as well.
Pencil eraser.
With the pencil eraser only. We'll do it with pencil eraser. And curve here. So this part is little curvy, and I will go down with the pencil eraser. This is my pencil eraser. I am cleaning this area more. So these sharp edges, whenever we do still life, we need to do this sharp edges. Kuch bhi metal, even if we do anything which is made up of metal, plastic, so these sharp edges will be needed. And that's how we create these sharp highlights.
Then where to be for the hand like this.
Show me. Yes, very good. So we are supposed to do it little bit this side, but it is okay. So when you widen it up, do it towards the right. Okay? Priyansha, when you widen, अभी हम इसे थोड़ा सा बड़ा करेंगे, and then you do it towards the right. Okay? Nirvan, you show me. Okay. When you do it towards the left. Okay? Nirvan, we are going to widen this line. हम इसे थोड़ा सा बड़ा करेंगे. So Riansha, you do it towards your right, and Nirvan, you do it towards your left. Okay? So we will give a little wideness to this edge. Go slow, no rush. Very slow. We are not supposed to remove our shading unnecessary. All right. Now we are going to repeat the same in this side also. What are we supposed to do? Again with our 4B, I will start. नायरा डार्क करो बेटा, फिल करो कलर जैसे उसे, जल्दी नहीं करो. जल्दी करोगे तो देखो इसके ग्रेन्स हमें दिख रहे हैं. सी हाउ डार्क इज माइन. मेरा कोई भी ग्रेन दिख रहा है क्या इसमें? नहीं है ना, तो उसे डार्क करो. So I'm again using 4B, leaving the edge. I will take care that I am not doing any shading on the edge that I left. Go carefully, dark to light. You can also keep your paper like this. Just make sure your hand is not on it. If you are, for example, 1 second. Nara, can you take this? So you can also keep any rough paper on top of it and then shade like this. Okay? So that your hand do not smudge this. Understood? Riansha, Nirvan. So when we shade on any part and our hand may get on top of it, then all this may mess up. So we will secure this with the paper, any rough paper, and then do it. Dark to light. And then we'll go till here. The lightest will go till here. Do it dark to light.
Mom,
Huh.
we
Naira, you need to, very good. You have done it nicely. Now draw another sharp edge here as well. Very good. So dark to light. हाँ, very good. अब widen it up. उसको थोड़ा सा मोटा करो. रबर से तो थोड़ा सा बड़ा करो. हाँ, इधर साइड बड़ा करना. यहाँ से रब करना तो बड़ा हो जाएगा. Dark to light. And then blend it.
Mama,
Hmm.
they will do the shapes that you are talking.
जैसे यहाँ पे किया है ना, ऐसा ही यहाँ पे करो. इस साइड ब्लेंड करो.
Like this.
Very good. Yes, Nirvan, you also show me. Yes, very good. Very nice. Now use 6P to do this darken it up, and then we will give a sharp edge here as well. And then we will finish it up. And rest part, no, rest we will do it in the next class. अभी इसका bottom भी बचा है, this part, it will take time. Go slow, don't rush, learn properly. That is important. And then you will give a sharp edge there as well. Nana pencil देना. So how far it would be on the hilly area, this bottom hill area, I'm going to give a sharp edge with my rubber.
या फिर पेंसिल
क्या पेंसिल से बेटा?
रेजर पेंसिल या फिर
अच्छा। With the blender, you can blend the bottom part. So this part is already started to look round. See, when we have a complete bottle done, then you will see that everything got rounded. So this part is already looking rounded now. Little bit dark. So I am using the pencil. Okay, now we will do just last thing and then we'll wrap up. So at this edge, there is a line at the bottom, right? There is this line at the bottom. So on this line, we will use our eraser. नहीं use, हाँ, very good करो, very good. Yes, rub करो उसे complete. Mess नहीं करना है, mess नहीं करना है. चल, okay. देखो अब इसको शेड करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे आपने गलत कर दिया. Okay. With the eraser, what we are going to do? So we will rub just above this line. So we have this line. We will give one highlight just above this line. See how I am giving? And this can be done with pencil eraser. Riansha, you do it after cutting your eraser. It should be sharp enough to give this sharp line. And rest part we will do it in the next class. Arey baap re. Don't use this. You are more concentrating on tools, Naira.
Ma'am, like this.
Okay. Show me. Yes, very good. So, Riansha, do you see your bottle is already looking round. It's already looking 3D. And Nirvan, you also show me. Yes, see for you also. Very good. So, you give one edge, sharp edge here. This one.
Eraser. Pencil eraser.
वेरी गुड. नायरा, आपने ये वाला डार्क नहीं किया अभी तक. नो, देखो से आप कहीं पे भी कुछ भी कर रहे हो, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा नायरा. नहीं, आप अच्छे से नहीं कर रहे हो बेटा. देखो अच्छे से करना है. आप टूल्स पे कंसंट्रेट मत करो कि रेजर है, ये है, वो है, ऐसे नहीं करो. ब्लेंड पहले 4B करो और अच्छे से डार्क 4B करो, फिर उसे ब्लेंड करो, फिर उसके बाद 6B करो। जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करो, आराम से करो, अच्छे से करो। करो, मामा के सामने करो जल्दी से। चलो, we will wrapping up the class and we will continue this in our next Sunday session and
Okay,
finish
ma'am.
up the gap and other things. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Bye,
Then
ma'am.
bye, beta. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, beta. Bye.